Hello student. Chapter 4 Practical Geometry. In that today we solve exercise 4.5 in which you just construct quadrilaters with some special quadrilaters. Means in that the special shapes of quadrilaters are given. You just construct that one. Okay. Look, first one, the square READ with RE equal to 5.1 centimeter. That means you just construct a square READ with RE 5.1 centimeter. In that measurement of one side is here. Now square, the property of square. Okay, here we draw rough sketch of square. Square READ 5.1. Now we know that in a square all sides are equal, means all are having 5.1 centimeter measurement. Okay, and all angles are 90 degree. Okay, so let me construct this quadrilateral square. Okay, we start with RE, which is 5.1 centimeter. Okay, so draw RE equal to 5.1 centimeter. Here it's 0. Look, start with 0 and here 5.1. After 5 you just take 1 millimeter. That is RE. (5.1 centimeter). Now both angles are 90 degrees. So what to do? Just draw two rays. Okay, which make 90 degree with RE. Okay, at point R and same at point E. Okay, just mark both one at 90 degree and draw ray. Here RX, same here EY. Both are 90 degree. Okay, then what to do? Look, these two sides, both sides are 5.1 centimeter. So take 5.1 centimeter radius on that one. Okay, radius with compass and draw arc with the help of compass from R, same from E. Okay, and write down the intersecting point as point D and here A. Then join D and A. Okay, these two angles are 90 degree and this one 5.1 centimeter, 5.1 centimeter. Okay, so here READ is required quadrilateral. Okay, now next one. Look in second one. A rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter long. Okay, so rhombus means a quadrilateral in which all sides are equal. Okay, and both diagonals are perpendicular bisector. Here measurement of diagonals are given. So these two diagonals are perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular means both divide into each other into two equal parts and intersecting at 90 degree. Okay, so suppose they are A, B, C and D are there. So here first we draw diagonal AC, which is measurement of that one is 6.4 centimeter. Okay, and BD is 5.2 centimeter. Okay, and intersecting point is O. Suppose that is O. So OD and OB both are equal because is AC divide BD into two equal parts, perpendicular bisector. Okay, so OD and BD both are same in measurement and measurement is 5.2 divided by 2, that is 2.6. Okay, so OD is also 2.6 and OB is also 2.6. Okay, now let me construct first AC, that is 6.4 centimeter. Okay, so here 0 and here 6.4, and just draw that one, that is AC. Now both diagonals are perpendicular bisector, so what to do, just draw perpendicular bisector of AC first. Okay, so what to do, you just take arbitrary radius, okay, and draw arc at upper side and lower side in both plane, okay, with center C. Take same radius and draw arc with center A. Okay, means take A as a center and draw arc at both sides, and the intersecting points of both diagonals, okay, at upper side and here, you just draw line passing through from that both points. Okay, that is the perpendicular bisector line. Okay, and name that intersecting point, suppose they are X and Y. Now here intersecting point is O, so OD and OB both are 2.6 centimeters. So what to do, just take 2.6 centimeter radius, like that, okay, 2.6, and draw arc with center O on OX and OY, means upper side and lower side, both side. Okay, and intersecting points are D and here B. Then join B with A and C, both one same, D with A and C, like that. Look, means draw AB here, BC, then AD and DC. So here ABCD is require rhombus, means require quadrilateral. Okay, now question number 3, third. In third one, you just construct a rectangle with adjacent sides of length 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Okay, now here we draw a rough sketch of rectangle, and suppose name of that rectangle is A, B, C, D. Okay, two adjacent sides means nearest side. So suppose AB equal to 5 centimeter and BC equal to 4 centimeter. We know that in a rectangle opposite sides are equal in measurement. So AB is 5, so DC is also 5 centimeter. Same BC is 4 centimeter, so AD is also 4 centimeter. And all angles are rectangles, means 90 degree. Measurement of that one is 90 degree. Okay, so you just construct this type of rectangle. Okay, so let me construct AB first. Okay, which is 5 centimeter long. Look, 0 and here 5 centimeter, like that. So here AB equal to 5 centimeter. Now A and B both make 90 degree angle here. Look, so what to do, take half circle and draw two rays, both make 90 degree angle with A and B. Okay, like that, and then draw rays passing through that points. First one is AX and second one is BY. Okay, now AD equal to 4 centimeter and BC is also 4 centimeter. So what to do, just take 4 centimeters radius on a compass and draw arc from point A on AX and point B on BY. Okay, and both intersecting points, you just tick mark that and name that one here D and here C. Then join D and C, like that. Okay, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, here 90 degree angle, 90 degree angle. So ABCD is required rectangle with adjacent side 5 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Okay, and next one is fourth one, a parallelogram OKAY, where OK equal to 5.5 centimeter and K is 4.2 centimeter. And then, is it unique? Just check that one. Okay, look, rough sketch of that one is like that, parallelogram OKAY. Okay, OK equal to 5.5 centimeter, AK is 4.4 centimeter. Okay, now we know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal in measurement, so that one is also 4.2 centimeter. Now one more property of parallelogram, that is the adjacent angles are supplementary, means total of that two equal to 180. Suppose we take O equal to 80, then K equal to 100 degree. Okay, if O equal to 80, then K equal to 100 centimeter. Means just take any measurement of both one, but total is 180. Okay, here we take 80 and 100, then we construct the parallelogram. And this type of quadrilaters in which the opposite sides are equal in measurement, opposite sides also they are parallel. Okay, and the adjacent angles are supplementary. These type of quadrilaters are also unique, means that one is also unique. Okay, now let's we construct. First, OK equal to 5.5 centimeter here, that is 5.5 centimeter. Okay, and 5.5 centimeter. Now construct angle which is, okay, make angle at O point, that is 80, and at K, that is 100. Okay, so like that, look here, that is 80 degree, it's here, tick mark that one. Okay, and here 100, that is, so tick mark 100 degree here, that is 100, and draw arc, ray here. Suppose that is OX, and here KY. Okay, now OY and KA. Okay, measurement of both one is 4.2 centimeter. So what to do? Just take 4.2 centimeter radius with help of compass and draw arc from O on OX and from K on KY. Okay, and intersecting points are, here is Y and here that is A, and then join AY. Okay, measurement is 4.2 centimeter, here 4.2 centimeter, and measurements are 80 degree, here 100 degree. So OKAY is parallelogram. Okay, here our exercise is completed. Same here, our chapter 4 is also completed. You just complete this exercise in your notebook. From next period we start our next lesson, next chapter. Okay, thank you.